I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you an excellent question on exponents. The question is, we are given 3 to the power of x equals to 4 and 3 to the power of y equals to 6. And we need to evaluate the expression 9 to the power of 2x minus y plus 27 to the power of x minus y. Now I'd like you to pause the video, copy the question, and then look into my solution. Now some of you might remember the rules which we should follow for exponents, but I'd like you to give kind of a summary. The first step should be these numbers should be written in terms of 3 since we are given the exponents of 3. So the strategy is we could write 9 as 3 square and we could write 27 as 3 cube, right? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Right. Second, if we look at this 9 to the power of 2x minus y, what does it really mean? It really means that if I have, let us say, in general, 3 to the power of a minus b, anything, right? A minus b. What is that equals to? That basically means it is 3 to the power of a, minus means divide, by 3 to the power of b, which will be 3 to the power of a over 3 to the power of b. However, if I write this as kind of 3 to the power of a plus b, then it basically means 3 to the power of a times 3 to the power of b. It gets multiplied. There is one more rule which is called power rule, which is if I have 3 to the power of a to the power of b, in that case these powers get multiplied. Is that okay? They get multiplied. So these are a few rules which we will use to solve the given equation, correct? Now let's see how to solve it. So we'll begin with the question itself, which is 9 to the power of 2x. Let me rewrite. 9 to the power of 2x minus y plus 27 to the power of x minus y. Do some of these substitution and then we'll be able to evaluate the expression. So in the first step, I will not substitute till the end. I'll try to get an expression so that we learn the technique of simplifying the equation involving exponents, and at the end I'm going to substitute and evaluate, right? Or I may leave it for you also, right? Now first step. In this expression 9 could be written as 3 square, so let me write this as 3 square. Then it is all this to the power of 2x minus y plus, well, this is 27. 27 is 3 cube, and all that is to the power of x minus y, correct? So we only substituted what 27 is as exponent of 3. Now we are applying the power rule, which we are just talking about here. So it should be 3 to the power of 2 times 2x minus y plus 3 to the power of 3 times x minus y, correct? Now we can expand this, applying the binomial property, right? So binomial being multiplied by 2. So we get 3 to the power of 4x minus 2y plus 3 to the power of 3x minus 3y, correct? So as I said, if you have minus here, it basically means divide. So we could write this as 3 to the power of 4x divided by 3 to the power of 2y, correct? Plus 3 to the power of 3x divided by 3 to the power of 3y, correct? So like this, we could actually simplify our expression. Now we know 3 to the power of x is 4, 3 to the power of y is 6. We could substitute it here. 3 to the power of x is 4. So basically, what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to rewrite it once again as 3 to the power of x, everything to the power of 4, right? So we'll substitute 3 to the power of x as 4 divided by 3 to the power of y to the power of 2. Plus, here you see both are cubes, so we could write 3 to the power of x over 3 to the power of y and everything like a cube. Do you see that? Okay. Now, that is a simplified expression. We can substitute the values which we are given. 3 to the power of x is 4. So I'm replacing this with 4. So we get 4 to the power of 4 divided by 6 is 3 to the power of y, 6 square, plus 4 cube, or 4 over 6 whole cube. Is it okay? So like this, you can actually substitute. Now after substituting, we need to evaluate. You can use calculator at this stage to evaluate, or you could simplify this, correct? So let us simplify it on the right side. So when we say 4 to the power of 4, 6 square, this is 4 over 3, which can be written as 2 over 3. So let's simplify this a bit. You could always use a calculator. Let's see what it means. So we have 4 to the power of 4 divided by 6 square plus 4 over 3 whole cube. So I just rewritten the whole expression, and to simplify, what we can do is, let's write 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, that is 4 to the power of 4. 6 square is 6 times 6. Sometimes you're not allowed a calculator for such calculations, right? 2 over, this is 6, 4 over 6. You could divide both by 2, so you get 2 over 3 whole cube. So here you could divide these by 2, so you get 2 over 3. This also can go by 2, 2 over 3. So what do we get? The denominator is 9, 3 times 3. Numerator is 4 times 4, 16, twice 32, twice 64. So we get 64 plus 2 over 3. 2 cube is 8, 2 times 2 times 2. And 3 cube is 27, right? Now we can have common denominator, which is 27, right? And this gets multiplied by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. And 1, 19, right? 3 times 4, 12. So we get 192 plus 8. So 192 plus 8 is 200. So we get 200 over 27. So we could simplify like this. You could also use a calculator to simplify it. Either way, so you could do it. I hope this helps you to understand how to simplify fractions at time. So now we can say our answer is, so that is kind of an exact answer, 200 over 27, right? So that is how we could actually solve this question. I hope you understand and appreciate each and every step, and that reviews kind of the concepts which you had learned so far. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.